My day-to-day role at AIS is really taking care of what I call the gray, what comes through in the sales department, getting all departments to work together, really to provide that wow in customer service. We're providing the expectation or exceeding the expectation of what our customers expect. Hi, I'm Jeff Miller. I'm the Vice President of Sales for AIS. I've been in the industry, I think 27 years, and I've been with AIS for 3 now. Where we really come to aid for our customers is to make sure that all of the pillars or the product that we offer work together and provides wow and is easy for the customer to achieve the results that they want. What I love about my job is no day is the same. Every day is different. As much as I try to plan the way my day is going to look, it never really comes out that way. I think the proud part of AIS and what we do is we enable our people to take care of the issues. And my job is to make sure that everybody is empowered to take care of our issues. One of the, I think the greatest things that we've done is to invest in a customer service department that's actually located here. And we've given the CSR department the power to come directly to me to solve an issue and to make sure it's resolved in a very timely manner that meets the customer's expectations. With that, my day can change minute by minute, and I love a day that's not boring. What do I like to do for fun? So I moved here on purpose from the Northwest, which I do love the Northwest. I love the greenery, but I didn't love the 8 to 9 months of rain. So most of what I do is outdoors. I love to hike, I love to fish, mountain biking. It's incredible here. So I highly recommend Vegas as a place to explore lifestyles such as that. My family is extremely important to me. They're really what I base most of my decisions on. Decision to come to Las Vegas was based on family again. My wife and I love to hike. My wife and I love to get out and see nature, camp. I'm a little OCD. I love to restore old classic cars. I'm on my 22nd classic car. Love to restore motorcycles. Providing office equipment or IT may not seem like a glorious thing but when you actually provide something that people have been hurting on or been struggling with, sometimes it seems like you just delivered them a new Ferrari. It's amazing. We get thank yous, we get letters saying how we have really changed the operation of a company and come in and allow them to grow as a company. And that's got a great satisfaction to it. It's not about us, it's about our customers.